Good morning, David Snyder here. It's the 15th day of August 2013. Another Schrodinger alignment, basically. Showed you this one yesterday and months ago, actually. Weather's not, it fits there right now, but it's not really a great, alignment to show at the moment. It'll show itself better later. But notice this pattern up here. Let me just turn off my alarm here and fade this picture out real quick. That's what you see when you're looking for the Schrodinger. I do believe this is a Schrodinger crater. It might not be, because I'm seeing a very circular pattern here that looks like I got an overlay of this Pacific Northwest basically alignment. I do have a Mare Oriental picture that fits here just perfectly, but I did just throw this Schrodinger crater up here, and this is how it put itself in this position all by itself. So let's just take a look at it and see what happened. Okay. I haven't really looked at it real close, but I did notice this area here. See this area? Check it out. See that? Wow. That shows something, don't it? Oh my goodness, people. Look, and this showed itself a little bit better a minute ago, I thought. But it shows itself good there. It aligned itself, basically. I let it put itself down in this position. It looks to me like, I don't know, it looks like it fits to me. Let me turn off all these thumbtacks here. Maybe that'll help a little bit. Doesn't really need to shut them off, but what the hell. Oh, fade the weather. Look at that. Would you look at that? Come on, look at that shape. Look at that weather. Look at the rest of that. Let's measure it, shall we? There you go. 1,200 miles. Same size everywhere it hits on the Earth. So many places, people. This crater fits so many places. The weather shows it so often, it's not even funny anymore. Maybe at first you might have thought it was, but it's... Oh, geez, look at that. Look at that. I didn't look at it over the land yet. Oh, look at this. Look at this area. Yellowstone right there. Look at that. Wow. Let's just take a look right here and see what we got. I see something right there. Right here. See that right there? Anyways, I think you can see what I mean here. There's other alignments that go up that hit this area. Look, what it is, I think, is it hits an area until it knocks the Earth into a different position. Basically, it keeps hitting the same magnetic pole or area of the Earth. Not each time, but like every other time, maybe. You know what I mean? Or each time, I don't know. But you see, there's definitely something there. Definitely something there. Let's take a look here, get a little closer. Oh man. This one right here looks kind of fresh, that crater there, compared to these other ones. It looks like like it done it at a different time or something. But you can definitely see when I fade that, just like that, you can see this round area here, right here. Edge, Schrodinger, more than likely. Then you see that other radar return right there. Let's just turn off the clouds and just look at the radar. And look at that shape. tell me that does not have the same shape. Like I said, it put itself into position here, all on its own. It usually does that. If you're in the right place and you put down the right picture, it'll put itself into position, unless you have it like you're way out here. When you put the picture down, then it'll put the picture down too big, so you got to be in close enough to where you can, like this, something like this, and you snap it down then, and then it usually puts itself into the right position. But check that out. Would you? Somebody check it out. I can't believe that, I'm only getting a few views per video, but I understand it. It doesn't matter to me anymore. I mean, really, it'd be nice to see some people checking it out, but I think enough people already know. Myself, I mean, I just want to get the information out there. So if there are people that want to look like I wanted to look when I was trying to look, they'll find something. You know what I mean? Because I didn't find anything without doing this on my own. I just did this on my own, and I didn't find anything on the internet that told me that even talked about the moon hitting the Earth. I looked at other stuff like the Velikovsky, or that dude. His theory about other planets hitting, just a bunch of bullshit. But I mean, it has, that gave me the idea, at least an idea, that somebody was thinking something in this area, anyways. And I ran across this one guy's website with a nice picture of Mare Oriental, that one that I use all the time, and that helped a lot too. Then the weather just confirms it. I mean, that was an accident, like I've said 100 times. I mean, I accidentally hit that button, clicked on it one day. I was moving my mouse and just hit that button. And then when I did that, I was like, oh, that's pretty cool. Check that out. Yep. So, more important than harp rings, more important than anything, showing I think the most important thing on Earth. You know what I mean? But it's really, people just don't want to think that, because it's not a very fun thing to think about, especially if you got children or whatever, and you think they're going to have some kind of future on this planet. They probably will have some kind of future. It may not be the greatest, but if they're tough, they'll survive it, hopefully. Hopefully. But I'm just saying, I don't have any children, so I think the information just should be out there. That's all. You don't have to believe it. I just think that people that want to know should be able to find out something. So I put this information out there. I will continue to do that. You can take a look at it yourself, or you can just choose to laugh at it. Makes no difference to me. And people that unsubscribe to my channel because of what I believe in, that's fine. It's just a number to me. It's just a number. I don't discredit anybody else's beliefs. You believe what you want. I may not agree with it, but I'm not going to, I don't disrespect anybody for that. So you can unsubscribe just because I don't believe in the same thing you do. That's, like I said, to me, only a number. Means nothing to me. Really, don't. I'm not here to win a popularity contest or make money or anything like that. I'm just here to show people that want to know some kind of information that's showing something important. And that's it. If you don't want to look, doesn't ruin my day whatsoever. So I just want to point that out. I believe in something a little different, and because of this, because of what I see here, it changes everything I believe in. It absolutely does, because most of the things that people believe in now, I'm not talking about religious beliefs or anything like that. I'm talking about scientific beliefs, basically. Most of that stuff that you believe in, with this involved in it, it turns out to be a lot of it wrong. A lot of it wrong. Well, it'll never be changed, because until people start to take a look at it and just decide that but they just don't want it to come out. They think it's not a good thing to have to think about, so People won't even do it. It'll never come out to the, mainstream. I don't think. But that's all right. Like I said, it's only for people that want to know, want to look, think about it, and that's it. You know, just keep an open mind. That's all. That's all you need to do. Really, not that hard. Let other people believe what they want. You believe what you want. You should all be happy. Have a good day.